Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel after a short hiatus, but yeah, let's get right into today's recipe. So for this recipe, I'm using whole mung beans, and these have already been soaked overnight because it helps cut down the cook time. Next, I've got my old-fashioned oats. You can use rolled oats or steel cut oats. Then our aromatics, our ginger, garlic, onion. I'm using some cherry tomatoes because that's what I have, but Roma tomatoes works great. Next, we have our spices. So this is where you can really customize your porridge. So first thing first, get all your aromatics, your onion, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes if you're using, chopped and ready to go, and begin the cooking. Like I said, I'm using my Instant Pot today, and first I'm going to bloom my spices. By that, what I mean is I'm going to fry my, whole spices. So here I'm using the saute function in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to add oil. I'm using neutral oil, so this is just a canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, corn oil, avocado oil, whatever neutral oil you use for cooking. Once this heats up, I'm going to add two whole spices. I'm going to do cumin seeds, and another one I like to add is called jwano in Nepali. It is a thyme seed. It's called ajwain in Hindi. So both the spices, they not only add flavor, but they're also really good for our digestion. Spices are ready. When you get this nice aroma of cumin and ajwain, the color also slightly changes. That's when you start adding your aromatics. First, I'm going to start by adding my onions. So goes. Add my ginger and garlic. Now it looks like our onion and ginger and garlic mixture is ready. We're going to add our mung beans and oats. Give it a nice mix, then we will add our spices. I'm going to add a little turmeric, followed by a little bit of chili pepper, which is again optional, a bit of salt, maybe a little bit of black pepper, why not, Oh, and let's not forget our tomatoes. You can saute the tomatoes before you add your oats and mung beans actually, or just add it right before you add the water. This is such a flexible recipe. You can even add some greens like spinach or kale. Now it's time to add the water. Okay, I'm going to add about 3 to 4 cups of water. Now we are going to close the lid, and we're going to cook this in a manual mode. So this porridge has been cooking for 15 minutes using the manual setting. Then I let this naturally release for about, let's say, about 20 minutes or so. And now we're going to take a look at this, okay? So I'm going to carefully open my Instant Pot, and look, this is cooked. The texture is so nice. Very forgiving porridge, in the sense that if you realize that it's a little bit runnier texture than you like, then go ahead and let it cook for another few minutes. Or if you find that it's too thick, then add a little bit water, so that way it reaches the nice thick consistency. I'm really happy with this consistency right now. This also reheats beautifully, so you can make a big batch and leave it in the fridge and reheat it and use throughout the week. Here, as you can see, I've got a little station set up for all my toppings. So I have my big spoon here ready. So I'm going to mix everything. The yogurt makes it extra creamy. There is this crunchiness from the popped. This is going to be so good. I already know it. I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is literally hug in a bowl. I'm going to share the link for my blog with the exact measurements and also instructions for pressure cooker and Instant Pot both, so please do check that out. And I'll see you guys next time. If you enjoy recipes like this, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye!